Hey, I'm back, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to stay safe on the internet. I'm not going to tell you to install an application or promote something in this video. I'm just going to tell you how to browse the internet safely, what to do and what not to do. These are basically common knowledge that you should know in order to protect your data as much as you can, avoid any malware or viruses, avoid scams, and some other stuffs that you might find useful. This should not take much time, so let's go. In the internet, nothing is free. If you are not paying for something, you are the product. I mean your precious data, of course. Websites, applications, and softwares use your data for mainly advertising purposes, as they will tell you. However, in most cases, it is up to them, and they can sell it to people or organizations that you might not like. For example, foreign governments or something like that. So, what can you do to stop this? Short answer, you can't. You can protect all your data as long as you use things like Google or Facebook. And since you are on YouTube, you are probably using Google. However, this is what you can do. You should use separate emails for different purposes. I think this is the most obvious one, as most people have multiple email accounts. So if you use the same email everywhere, it's time to create some new accounts. Do not use your real info on the internet unless you have to and you are giving it to someone legit. I'll get to that later. It is also fun, you know. You can be a Bob or a potato or an Apache attack helicopter. Lastly, you can use VPN for extra protection. You know, virtual private network. And if you don't know, then just Google. I know I said I won't tell you to install any software, but let me tell you this. VPN is like condom for your device if you use it correctly. If you choose to use VPN, then use a premium one. Do not use the free ones as they will mine your data anyway. To protect yourself from viruses and malwares, you have to use antivirus. If for some reason you do not use antivirus, you can still stay relatively safe if you follow some basic rules on the internet. First of all, do not use cracked programs. Most of the times they are infected with viruses, sometimes with simple adware, but in many cases they contain keylogger or trojan or ransomware. If you do not want to lose your important files trying to save some money, then do not use them. You will find free alternatives for almost every premium software. If you do want to use cracks, then make sure you have a good antivirus on your computer. You don't have to worry about ransomware if you got a Mac though. Do not click on every link you are asked to like a sheep. If you see something on the internet that seems too good to be true, then it probably is. This is also a good way to avoid scams. In the earlier days of the internet, there were phishing sites that were used to scam people and steal their personal or financial information. And even though they are mostly gone, they still exist today in different forms. There are many ways to recognize a phishing site. Most of the times they use clickbait and then takes you to a website that looks normal, but if you look at their web URL, you will see that it's just bullshit. So, these are some basic ways to safely browse the internet. I really don't want to be a tech YouTuber, but if this one blows up and gets 50 reviews, maybe I'll make another video like this. If you want to see more stuff like that, please sub to the channel and be one of my first subscribers. I only have 9 so far. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully see you again next time. Have a good day.